There's growing pressure tonight for the Chief Constable of the West Midlands, Chris Sims, to resign over his force's investigation into the deaths of 3 men in last summer's riots in Birmingham.
8 men were cleared of their murder at Birmingham Crown Court yesterday, but it emerged during the hearing that the detective who led the inquiry is facing allegations that he lied under oath.
Chris Sims has now issued a statement saying he's continuing to work with the community to maintain calm and to strengthen relationships. Here's our special correspondent, Peter Wilson.
Extra patrols on the streets of Winson Green for reassurance and security amid concerns of tension following yesterday's verdicts. But today, the tension was at its highest at West Midlands Police Headquarters amid calls for the Chief Constable to resign. Derek Campbell emerged from a heated meeting between senior officers and community leaders.
There is growing concern and a growing sense of momentum from sections of the community in regards to the position of the Chief Constable.
Yesterday, celebrations as 8 men walked free from court, cleared of all murder charges. Last August, Haroon Jahan and brothers Shazad Ali and Abdul Muzavir died after being hit by a car during the riots. It emerged in the court case that the senior detective had allegedly lied in court over details about an offer of immunity made to those on the streets that night. As I understand it, the police had no right to offer immunity to anyone. Only the Crown Prosecution Service can do that. It's leading to pressure today being placed on senior officers here at West Midlands Police Headquarters, right up to the rank of Chief Constable himself. In fact, such an offer could only be approved by the Attorney General's office, the government's own legal advisor. Such information has led community leaders in Handsworth to call for the Chief Constable to resign.
Policing is all about trust and confidence with the communities, and if the communities don't have that trust and a level of engagement with their police officers at a neighbourhood level and also at a senior level, then that position becomes untenable.
This was the moment the police carried out skid tests last August. Chris Sims today defended his detectives on the allegation made by the court judge that his officer had lied. The Chief Constable said, "I do not at this time understand how, on the facts currently known, that this decision has been reached." A Labour MP is calling for a period of calm.
This is his police force, and there are some very serious questions that have been raised about the conduct of 1, perhaps 2 of his officers in this investigation. So there are serious questions to answer. The appropriate forum for investigating all of this is the IPCC.
Chris Sims says his officers carried out a painstaking investigation in difficult circumstances. Peter Wilson, BBC Midlands Today, Birmingham.
Record-breaking rainfalls taking its